Hi friends, we are back. So today we are at the Kolkata station and we are leaving for a secret waterfall near Malda. So we're about to board this train, Kolkata Balurghat Express, Tebhaga Express, and we'll get down at Malda. I'm at the Malda station. Along with me, here is Shaptorshi. So we are about to explore a secret waterfall near Malda. Yes, you heard that right. There is a waterfall near Malda, although not many people know about it. So we plan to explore it tomorrow. And today we have arrived in Malda and we have booked a retiring room. So I'll show you everything. This is the entrance to the dormitories and retiring rooms. Now I'll show you the retiring room where we will stay. So this is the retiring room area. Let me show you the dormitory first. So this is the dormitory room. There are 4 beds in the dormitory, 2 washrooms. So this is retiring room number 2. I got this room. This is how it looks like. The rate of this room is 255 rupees for 24 hours at Malda station. It's pretty decent for a night. And tomorrow morning, the waterfall will welcome us. So far it's a surprise.